Okay, when you get to mile marker 20, you can, on the US 1 highway, you'll see the KOA holiday. Must be check-in time. They're building some vacation suites, but they got all the campsites ready to rumble. Oh, looks like you can rent a golf cart even. I know you can rent boats. They got a boat ramp. They got bicycles. They got a marina. They got slips. There's the rentals. Snorkeling gear, kayaks, paddleboards, boats, pontoons, and bikes. Boat rentals, slip rentals, fuel, bait and tackle, snacks, beer and ice. The Southernmost KOA. Okay, I'm gonna go past the marina and the saltwater swimming area. Looks like you could probably fit any reasonable boat in there. Wouldn't go too big, maybe 25-footer. Nice boat ramp. I like it. Swim in designated areas only. How do you like them electrics? I see them on Facebook all the time.
So far, so good. I've got 3 miles on it.
3 miles.
so far, so good.
They're pretty reasonable from what I see.
Yeah.
Have a good day. You got 3 miles on yours too?
6.
6 miles.
I was up and down the corner.
Okay, well be careful. Going around the perimeter here. I'm gonna pretend I'm an RV. Here's a good spot here. Wow. Nice big handicap location. That's a pull through and a half, ain't it? This appears to be a well-designed park to me. Well designed. Car, tow vehicle, a little bit of overflow parking, couple primitive sites. There's the bathhouse, propane filling station. I should bring my propane down here and get it filled. Dude's a pretty good driver. That was kind of a tough turn. I don't know if you can see the surveillance blimp flying, but we're not that far from Blimp Road. That's a nice sight there too. Holy smokes. Okay, we went that way, so I'll go this way. There's a pull through and it's empty. It's pretty cool. They all got pavers, but the handicap ones have pavers everywhere. Back where the handicap was, I'm going to turn right here. And go down this road for fun. Horse in the motorhome. Pretty cool. Pretty cool motorhome. I think I got one more street to do and then I'm out of here. There's your tent camping. See, I don't think I went up that street. But that's okay. We just came past here and watched the guy turn the corner. Wait my turn. I'll wait for my turn. Hello. Nice van. Sounded like you had a generator running. Did it? I didn't know they put them on them little guys. Okay, here's Main Street. Laundry. General store. Too cool. And a bar. Tiki bar and a swimming pool. Okay. I think that sums up all the streets. There's a bunch of the rentals. Okay, I'm heading back out, just so you know. I'm going down the next street, but I'm heading out. Hello. Nice, that one's fenced in. Beautiful. Guy's good at parking. Gotta go out the exit. That's the only street I missed. But you seen one street, you seen them all. Bathhouse, laundry, propane filling station. Look, they even got a pet playground. Did you see that? Okay. That'll be the end of that. We're going out the exit.